In high-value sales industries, speed determines revenue. But most paid leads are never followed up properly. Cold leads cost money. Conversion requires immediate contact and persistent follow-up. Human SDRs are expensive, inconsistent, and difficult to scale. This is not a software problem. It's a labor problem. We built an AI-native sales development agent designed to replace human SDRs at the front of the sales funnel. The agent instantly engages new leads, qualifies intent through structured conversations, uses real market data, and follows up automatically across days and weeks. Its goal is simple: turn cold leads into qualified, scheduled appointments. A human SDR costs hundreds to thousands per month. Our AI handles thousands of conversations for a fraction of that cost. Over 90% reduction in frontline sales labor expense. We operate on a subscription model with usage-based credits, starting with real estate, then expanding to auto sales and e-commerce. We are raising capital to move from prototype to production, integrate multi-channel APIs, launch publicly, and scale across Canada and North America.